Once, the city was a whisper, quiet stone streets where footsteps echoed like memories. Lanterns flickered against cold walls, and every shadow carried a story untold. Then progress arrived, slow at first, like a heartbeat finding rhythm. The world began to hum with invention. The streets grew wider, the buildings taller. Smoke curled into the sky as if the earth itself was learning to dream upward. And people came, not to rest, but to build. Every wall, every bridge, every light was a promise to the future. The city began to glow, first with firelight, then electricity, then with the restless energy of a million souls. Glass replaced stone, neon replaced stars. The rhythm of footsteps became the rhythm of machines. But even as everything changed, the street remained. Always the same line through time, watching the centuries flow like rain. Now the city breathes in colors of light and sound. And still, it waits, to see what we will dream next. Because the city does not truly change, it only reflects who we are becoming. Every street is a mirror. Every light, a heartbeat. Every city, a memory of tomorrow.